what's going on, guys? Jeremy with Southern Weld Company. I was sniffing around on Marketplace the other week and I came across this little machine right here. This is a Lincoln LincWelder 60. This was used back in body shops and small repairs like that you would use on sheet metal and stuff like that, but it was geared more toward garage body top shop work. It uses a 110 outlet. This one has the original ground clamp and the stinger. You would have different settings. Well, you had two different rods to choose from, a 5/64 or a 1/16. We're gonna run a 1/16. I got a little piece of 20 gauge right here. But yeah, it's a 110 machine, and this particular one was made in 1942. So still works. So we're gonna run a bead with it, see what it'll do. So this is a 1/16 rod, 7018. It was hard to get the rod going, but once I got it going, I ran this first little bead, then it got hot and belted through. Like I say, this is 20 gauge. So come down here, and it took a while for it to strike off. I mean, the machine's 81 years old, but it still put down a bead, not too bad. It got good penetration on the backside. For a 81-year-old machine, I don't think it's too bad. Cool thing to have, ain't it?